Anuj is now joining in with what he's making of the market and the setup this morning. Anuj, good morning.
Morning, Prashant. For the next few days, my sense is that you're better off perhaps ignoring Nifty and the bank Nifty and focusing on individual stocks and sectors. Few sectors that you could focus on. I think metals would be right on top because I think that's one area where clearly there's a big super cycle on, and that's visible in the kind of underlying prices that you have. So that's a space to focus on. Gold finance could be the other one to focus on, given the kind of steep run that we have seen in gold prices. That helps the collateral value of these companies go up, of course. And one more sector to focus on was IT. Because of the inflation data in the US, the way the Nasdaq has been leading the US market, and this week you have Nvidia's numbers as well. So I think that's something to focus on. And telecom could be another sector where you have seen some positive noises. So I think you're better off focusing on individual stocks and sectors till June 4 because the big move on Nifty may have already happened over the last few days. On the Nifty, though, of course, in terms of numbers to watch out for, the first resistance is 22,626 based on the options, and then the all-time high of 22,795 could be the big resistance. Support comes in at 22,380, which is based on options, and then the 20 and 50-day exponential moving average at 22,250 to about 22,330. The bank Nifty, of course, has been extremely untradeable over the last few days. Only intraday trades are working. And no level-based trading will work on Bank Nifty. I guess still you have this kind of volatility. You could focus on PSU banks today, though, given what the Prime Minister had tweeted. I think that is something that you could focus on. As always, I'll leave you with the quote of the day. And this one is interesting from Jimmy Dean, that if I can't change the direction of the wind, I can adjust my sails to reach my destination.
Okay, wonderful quote as always. Thanks a lot, Anuj, for that. And Anuj saying better to keep your eye on stocks and sectors rather than on the market, which could be all over the place, given that we have a big event upon us on the 4th of June, which is the counting day. But let's